Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to combine or join multiple image files without using any third-party softwares in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, say I have two image files here on my desktop screen. So here I will show you two methods how you can do it. So for the first method, just select all the images which you want to combine or join, and after that just right mouse click on it. And now just click on this some more options. Now just select this print option. Now under the printer option, just select this Microsoft Print to PDF. And on the paper size, you can select depending upon your needs which paper size you want, and even the quality also, which quality you want. And on the right side, you will see here different templates. So I'm gonna select this two since I have only two image files. You can select the bottom also if you have a 4, 9 or more than that. Add more photos depending upon your needs, and you can click on this fit picture to frame in order to fit it. And once you're done, just click on this print and select your output folder where you want to save and give the file name. Click on save. So finally we have saved. Now let us open this edited file. So now you can see here we have combined different images into a single file. So this is the first method. And for the second method, just right mouse click on the respective image file and select this open with. Now just select this pane. Now let me just reduce the size firstly so that you can see it properly. So now just place your mouse cursor on this corner edges and just drag it. So now I have created some extra portion. Now you can just minimize it. And now once again just right mouse click on the other image file and click on this open with and select the pane again. Now on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl A to select the enter image file, and after that just right mouse click on it and click on discard. Now you can close this window. Now open back the earlier file and now just right mouse click and click on paste. Now you can just reduce the size. So you can add here this way, or you can add in the landscape mode also, whichever you want, and just drag this white portion again here. Now you can see we have finally combined. Now in order to save this combined image file, just click on this file, and you can replace the original file also by clicking on save, or you can click on save as. If you want to save it as a copy, click on save. Now let us check. So finally you can see we have combined different image files into a single image file. So by using these two methods, you can easily combine or join multiple image files without using any third-party softwares in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.